Ever wondered how the rich spend their money? The spending habits of the rich vary widely depending on individual preferences and lifestyles. However, there are some commonalities among the ways that the wealthy tend to use their wealth. Welcome to Money Mindset, where we provide educational resources on money, personal finance, and investing. In this video, we will present you how the rich spend their money. If you're serious about enhancing your financial future, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video if it was helpful to you. Fix things before they break. Wealthy individuals tend to be proactive in their spending, as they recognize the cost-effectiveness of preventing problems before they escalate into urgent matters. Conversely, when cash flow is tight, individuals are often compelled to reactively address issues rather than getting ahead of them. For instance, while no one relishes taking their car in for maintenance or the associated expenses, regular servicing can mitigate the likelihood of an unforeseen repair bill in the thousands. Similarly, households may resort to cranking up the heater in winter due to drafty windows, resulting in higher power bills. However, by installing insulation strips or draft stoppers, households can reduce their dependence on heating and bring down their energy costs. In addition, the affluent generally prefer to purchase goods outright. For instance, instead of signing up for mobile phone plans that involve paying off the device alongside texts, data, and minutes over an extended period, they opt to pay a lump sum for the phone and subscribe to a prepaid phone plan that they can modify as needed. This approach enables them to avoid tying up a fixed sum of money for a prolonged duration and avoid costly contract termination fees. The same principle applies to other consumer goods such as televisions and household appliances. Insurance. The concept of investing in insurance can be challenging to grasp for individuals with limited cash flow. However, wealthy individuals understand that the commonly held beliefs of, "it won't happen to me," or "it will be all right," are insufficient to shield them from unforeseen events. If things do not go as planned, these events can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Regardless of whether it is health, home, or life-related, it is more cost-effective to pay for insurance than to bear the potential consequences. The wealthy appreciate the significance of short-term insurance spending to secure long-term protection. To ensure appropriate coverage and prevent under- or overinsurance, the affluent seek the guidance of a financial advisor who assesses their situation and designs insurance coverage based on their specific needs. What many fail to realize is that engaging the services of a financial advisor may not incur any cost, as several insurance providers cover the advisor's fees, allowing individuals to obtain tailored advice at no extra expense. Investing. Wealthy individuals do not save their money, they invest it. The reason behind this is that bank returns have traditionally been lower than investment returns in the long run. It is frequently asserted that keeping savings in bank accounts or term deposits with banks could be detrimental over time. Buying time. The rich understand that time is a limited resource that cannot be regained once wasted. Therefore, spending extra money to gain a few more valuable minutes is one of the primary things they prioritize spending on. For instance, instead of spending 90 minutes walking around a physical supermarket, the wealthy prefer to shop for groceries online and have them delivered within 30 minutes at an additional cost of $10 to $15. Similarly, they opt for online clothes shopping rather than strolling through a mall, thus saving time that can be allocated to other important activities. The extra time gained can be utilized for personal or professional pursuits, such as working on their business ventures, upskilling to earn more, spending quality time with their loved ones, or enjoying some time for themselves. The wealthy recognize that time is a non-renewable asset, which is why they appreciate the value of spending money to purchase more time. Although online shopping may incur additional expenses, the wealthy can earn significantly more than the extra costs within the same time frame due to their exceptional earning potential. Professional assistance. The rich understand the importance of seeking professional assistance to save time and achieve better outcomes. They know that a well-chosen expert can provide superior services in their field of expertise. For instance, a wealthy person may seek the advice of a lawyer to obtain essential estate planning guidance, consult an accountant to handle tax returns and offer insights on the most suitable asset holding structures, or work with a financial advisor to assist with investment selection and monitoring. By engaging the services of professionals, the wealthy can delegate tasks that would otherwise consume their valuable time and ensure that their affairs are handled efficiently and effectively. They recognize that the cost of hiring professionals is a worthwhile investment in their financial future and well-being. Furthermore, they understand that the expertise and knowledge of professionals can potentially save them money and prevent costly mistakes. Thus, the rich prioritize seeking professional assistance to achieve their goals and manage their assets. Avoiding lifestyle creep. The wealthy achieve and maintain their wealth by avoiding lifestyle creep and the mentality of keeping up with others. Instead of constantly upgrading their lifestyle as their income increases, they prioritize frugality and stick with the same house, smartphone, and car. This mindset helps them to build and grow their wealth over time, as they avoid the pitfalls of overspending and investing in depreciating assets. They only upgrade their lifestyle once they have reached a comfortable financial buffer, such as having a certain amount set aside, living debt-free in their current home, or generating regular passive income. By delaying lifestyle upgrades and focusing on building their wealth, the wealthy ultimately end up with more financial security and freedom in the long run. To buy happiness. Surprisingly, investing in experiences and giving back to others through charitable donations has been proven to be a way to purchase happiness. Once wealthy individuals have secured a solid financial foundation, they often prioritize making the most of their wealth in these ways.